L.J. Smith Stair Systems presents Young RetroTreads and RetroRisers. RetroTreads and RetroRisers by Young Manufacturing are designed to easily update carpeted stairs to solid hardwood treads and risers. This video will show how easily this can be done. Start by removing the carpet. Remove any tack strips and staples from the treads and risers. Also remove any cove molding from under the tread nosing. Measure the tread nosing overhang and transfer the measurement to the top of the treads. Then scribe a cut line across the length of the treads. Use a skill saw to trim the nosing flush to the riser below. Finish the cut on the ends next to the stringer with an oscillating multi-tool and remove the nosing. Measure, mark, and trim new risers to the correct size. Measure the length and height for the replacement riser. Transfer the measurements to the new riser and trim. Apply a quality urethane-based construction adhesive to the back of the riser and smooth it out. Be sure to cover 80% of the surface with the adhesive. Align the riser to the top of the tread and fasten with 2 or 3 finish nails top and bottom. Repeat until all risers are installed. Measure, mark, and trim RetroTreads to the correct size. Measure the width and length for the replacement treads. Transfer the measurement to the RetroTread and add 1 inch to the length if returning nosing is required on one end. Trim RetroTreads. For open treads, a nosing will need to be installed on the open stair side of the RetroTread. Make a 45-degree 1-inch cut to the front nosed edge. Mark and cut out the 1-inch section from the back edge of the tread. If needed, clean up the intersection of the cuts using a handsaw. To determine the length of the RetroTread reversible return nosing, measure the overhang needed on the existing staircase to cover any imperfections. Transfer the measurement to the nosing and make a 45-degree miter cut. The nosing is reversible, so be sure to trim the appropriate end. Apply wood glue to the RetroTread cut edge and attach the mitered nosing using 2 finish nails. Apply a quality urethane-based construction adhesive to the RetroTread and smooth it out. Be sure to cover 80% of the surface with the adhesive. Position the RetroTread and press down firmly and secure with finish nails. Repeat until all RetroTreads are installed.